Mama, 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 mama.
Yeah. Yeah. Pindile mhlanga, I wanna take this time, mama, just to tell you, kuthi ngiyakuthanza. You've been there for me, suka la ngisasendwana. Ngisacathuta, ngakwati ngisho khamba. Ungishintshile ebukhini, ungigezisa ungifite nenqwanqwa. You always made sure ukuthi yangilala ngadlanga. Baxosha esikolweni, cause bokhulela isisu sami. Nasekhayini baxosha bathi usikhohlakali. Babe wangiphika, waguma njengekhanga boo. Now I have made it, I'm a star, they call me Kangaboo. Mama, all I ever wanted was to make you proud, but every day I seem to let you down. All I ever wanted was to make you smile, but every day I seem to make you cry. But through all of that, so long nigga Tanbo, you giving me support. Kanye nemiyalo
Ungikhulisile ngingaka, wangithekethisa ngincane, akekho lofana nawe mama. Ungikhulisile ngingaka, wangithekethisa ngincane, akekho lofana nawe mama.
yonke le minyaka bosebente emafemini so that ngiphile impilo lengcono like other kids. Bosama ngato tonke ndlela kubhadala school fees, but I dropped out of school trying to chase my dreams. I know I really broke your heart. I was so ungrateful, I really let you down. So long yet so long ngaloko kuyangida every time, but one day I promise I'm gonna make you proud. When I blow up, ngakuthengela ikari, vroom vroom, sambe siyohlala kuma-suburbs. I'm gonna make it up for all the times I've let you down, for all the tears I have made you drop from your eyes. Ngiyakuthanza mage, you made me who I am. Wangifundisa respect and you taught me how to pray. Ngiyakuthanza mage, you the best of the best. I swear to God, no woman can ever take your place.
Ungikhulisile ngingaka, wangithekethisa ngincane, akekho lofana nawe mama. Ungikhulisile ngingaka, wangithekethisa ngincane, akekho lofana nawe mama.
You the best of the best. I swear to God, no woman can ever take your place.
Ungikhulisile ngingaka, wangithekethisa ngincane, akekho lofana nawe mama. Ungikhulisile ngingaka, wangithekethisa ngincane, akekho lofana nawe mama.
You the best of the best. I swear to God, no woman can ever take your place.